Are you trying to pick between Ondsel and FreeCAD? Let's break it down. In this video, we will compare two popular design tools, Ondsel and FreeCAD. Both are used for 3D modeling, but they have different features and strengths. Both Ondsel and FreeCAD help you create detailed designs and models. They are great for engineers, architects, and hobbyists. But how do they differ? Let's start with Ondsel. This tool is user friendly and focuses on simplicity. It has a clean interface, making it easy for beginners. Onsel also offers good support for collaboration. You can easily share your projects with others. Now, let's look at FreeCAD. This software is open source and highly customizable. It's great for more advanced users who want to dive deep into their designs. FreeCAD has a wide range of features, including parametric modeling, which lets you edit designs easily. So, what are the main differences? Onsel is more beginner friendly, while FreeCAD offers more advanced options. If you want to create quickly and easily, Onsel might be the better choice. But if you need powerful tools and flexibility, FreeCAD is the way to go. When it comes to features, Onsel excels in ease of use. It has built-in tutorials and a supportive community. FreeCAD shines with its extensive tools for complex designs. You can customize it to fit your needs. Pricing is another point to consider. Onsel usually has a subscription model, while FreeCAD is free to use. This can be a big factor if you are on a budget. In the end, if you are just starting out or need something simple, go for Onsel. If you are more experienced and want a powerful tool, FreeCAD is the better option. Thanks for watching. If you found this comparison helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos.